Man, you want to see the ghetto shit that I've got as a setup right now. Legit, it's a coat hanger hung over my computer with my phone sitting in it as a quick video. But I thought I would be 100% honest with you guys and literally just have a chat. At the moment, I've been getting people ask me, why do I have an R1? Why do I have an R3? Where is my R3? Because if you guys have actually been following me for quite some time, you would realize that my R3 and the camera angle and everything on the bike is different. Like now I have the camera on the front. It's been on the front for 2 years. And previously it used to be on the side. Now, truth is, I'll give you a whole rundown, 100% honest. I am really far ahead with content, miles ahead, like ridiculously ahead with content. The problem is 95% of it is all raw. I haven't edited it. So I sit there, go through countless amounts of footage, and then I edit it, upload it. Now what I'm trying to do for you guys is I'm trying to edit all this previous footage. Now I'm talking footage that's probably 2-3 years old. Now it's still relevant. If it's not relevant, I don't really upload it. But I went through a phase where I was filming heaps, and I still do film heaps. I still ride the bike, still out on the bike, still filming. So I am still creating more and more content for you guys. That's the issue. I sat down and I went through all this footage, and I had 3 terabytes. 3 motherfucking terabytes of footage. Raw footage. And that's just on this motovlog channel. Not to mention the stuff that I haven't edited for the life channel. I literally almost gave up on that channel because I just couldn't keep up the demand. Like, if you guys don't know, I have a Dispedster, which is my life channel. I have Motovlog, which is this channel. I have gaming as well, Dispedster Gaming. And I just, like, it is so much to, even though my gaming channel's like actually doing okay, but it is just so much footage to edit and run across all the channels. I also work full-time. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, and I have a life outside of YouTube as well. Let's start off, what happened to the R3? The Yamaha R3 is gone. I sold it. It got sold about 12 months ago. Got rid of it. You will continue to see footage from the Yamaha R3, obviously, because I did a heap of filming on that bike, just heaps of it. So bear with me. I'll probably try and sprinkle some R1 stuff in there because I am on the R1. I ride the R1 all the time now. So the R1 there's plenty of R1 footage. If you're willing to hang around, there is going to be R1 footage. It's not going to be an R3 channel. I haven't just been riding an R3 the whole time. The R3 was a commuting bike, so yes, I was on that for a long time, but I got the R1 probably, how long ago was it? Probably 2 years ago now. I got the R1 like 2 years ago, and I've just been riding the R1 ever since. Now, why did I end up with this huge backlog of footage, you ask? Because some people are sitting there going, well, how did you, like the people are told, how did you end up with this footage? Problem is, I go out and I film a lot. Filming content for me comes very easy. I can go out and film content just one after the other, after the other, after the other. Like, I can ride a bike and I can go out for a day and I could film 5 videos if I'm on a roll. Because I love it, I enjoy it, like sitting in front of the camera now. But the problem is, I would get home, I was tired, and I'd transfer all that footage to the hard drives, and then I'd go out and film again. So I wouldn't edit it, or I was editing footage that was previously done and uploading that. But the problem was, last year I got really sick. Extremely sick, and I was bedridden for pretty much 3 months. It wasn't nice. I wasn't on the bike. I was editing and uploading YouTube videos around that time when I could, but yeah. So my life got very busy, and then I got sick, and then I'm pretty much back to normal now, to a point. Back on the bike again, riding. I was riding on and off throughout when I was sick, but yeah. So that's pretty much what happened. So to cut a long story really short, I've got a heap of footage, shit tons of it. Don't know how many videos in this footage, because I've just got nothing but raw clips, and I throw them in the editor and I edit them. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to launch a video every single Thursday. This is what I want to do, guaranteed every Thursday. Whether or not I can do that or not, I don't know, but I'm just going to play it by ear, and hopefully you guys are along for the ride. So every Thursday I want to drop a video. If I have like a shorter video, sometimes like I have videos that are ridiculously short. Like I've done a clip, but I can't put it into other videos. So what I do is I'll just launch it as one vid. Like for example, how to turn a motorcycle around. It's really quick. It popped into my head. I just filmed it, but it can't go anywhere else. Yeah. The other thing is I've got a heap of footage, like as in my head. Like I have a list. I write down lists of content when it pops into my head. Like if I'm at work, I'll be thinking about something and a video idea will pop in my head, or I'll be on the bike and a video idea will pop in my head. I don't know if you'll notice it with my videos, because I don't know if I edited it out, but sometimes I start merging 2 videos into one, and I have to scrap all that footage because I don't communicate it out loud. I'm in my head, and then I just go into a next video. So yeah, everyone who wants to know, who was asking, the R3 is gone. So I do apologize for that, but I just couldn't have the 2 bikes around. My R1 was sitting here doing nothing, and it's my dream bike. I had the R3 as a commuting bike, and I was still using it as a commuting bike, and now I just commute on the R1. Not as comfortable as the R3, I would give it that, and I was paying 2 insurances, 2 regos, and it was getting ridiculously expensive. Not to mention my little pit bike that I've still got. People ask me about that. Yes, I've still got it. Haven't ridden it in so long. The thing's covered in dust, but I do still have it. A little bit of a different video. You're probably not used to seeing me literally in front of the camera, but I thought I'd be 100% honest with you guys and give you the rundown. I'm not trying to be shifty. I'm not trying to do any, like, pull the wool over your eyes or anything. Yes, it is older footage and things along those lines, but to you guys it's new because you've never seen it. Even me watching it back and editing it, I'm like, holy shit, I remember this day was good. If you want to see any particular content, just let me know. Just shoot it down in the comment section. If you want me to do a video on a particular subject, like say you as a rider want to know about something, and say if I have the answers to it, I will do a video on it for you guys, specifically for you. Because when I started out riding many years ago, YouTube wasn't big back then, so there wasn't really many videos to go to or anything like that. I just had to learn by trial and error, and a lot of other riders weren't willing to help me, so I learned on my own, and that's how I learned to ride bikes, and literally trial and error. So I thought that a part of this channel I would help beginner riders and people looking to getting into motorcycles. And yeah, alright guys, don't forget to join the ride, subscribe, and until next time guys, take care, peace.